Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make curry powder at home. Gather whole spices, a dry skillet, a spice grinder, and airtight jars. Toast spices gently to deepen flavor, cool completely, and grind to a medium-fine texture. Taste and adjust heat or salt slowly. Store in a dark, cool place and use within 3 months for best freshness. Follow along, and I'll walk you through simple ratios and flavor swaps step by step. Start by choosing whole spices for better aroma and freshness. Measure spices by weight where possible, like 20 grams coriander or 10 grams cumin. Toasting each spice briefly releases oils, but avoid burning. Cool completely before grinding to prevent clumping. Blend and taste, adjusting turmeric and chili to your preferred color and heat. Small batch mixing keeps the mix vibrant, so make what you will use within a few months. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Support lets me produce more concise, practical guides you can actually use. Quick recommendation: I enjoyed a book called The Simple Path to Wealth, which offers clear ideas about money in a gentle, humorous way. It's a nice mental side dish while your curry simmers. Check the description for the book link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Dry toast spices over medium heat until fragrant, shaking the pan constantly to prevent burning. Grind cooled spices in short bursts for even texture, and sieve if desired for fine powder. Combine pre-ground aromatics like garlic powder if you use them, then store in airtight jars away from heat and light. Label with date and blend name. Small batches retain freshness far better than large quantities. Use within 3 months for peak flavor and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.